In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Smallpdf. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to hover over the Edit tab over here inside your account, and then click on the Edit Text button. And from here, you have to select your file, and just click on it and click on Open, and it's going to load in like that. Now, up top, make sure the Edit Text tool is selected, and this will allow you to click into any text box over here, and that it's also going to allow you to basically change anything you can see here. So, for example, if I wanted to change some letters, some words, whatever over here, I can just like delete this part. For example, I can start typing in whatever I want like this. I could highlight over it. I could go and change its font. I could change the size of this text. I can change text color if I want to. I can make it bold, italic, underline, strike through. There's everything you basically could wish inside an editor is basically available in here inside Smallpdf text editing. Okay. Now, of course, up top, you also have the options to add your text. You can go ahead and draw it if you wanna. You could go and highlight different things, like you could highlight, underline, you could do whatever you want, just like this. And yeah, that's basically how to edit text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.